As part of this update, we've also gone ahead and made some quality of life improvements for faculty. For example, when faculty are creating assignments, they'll have a new preview option that gives them a true example of what students see when they're looking at an assignment. In order to access this new preview, teachers go through the same workflow. They'll edit into the assignment, click the See Student Preview button, and now they will see the exact same screen that students see when they're looking at an assignment. Teachers also have the ability to go through the same workflows that students have. That way they can mimic the assignment experience. So for example, as a teacher in my preview, I can click into my text box, click on the pencil icon, type in an example prompt, click Save and Close, and that will also unlock my Submit button. From here, nothing will actually save for the teacher. This is truly just a preview, but the teacher can also attach a file and see what that process looks like. They can also add tasks and see what that looks like for a student. Again, adding a task from the preview does not actually add the task for students. Uploading a file in the preview does not actually upload the file, and submitting the assignment will not actually submit the assignment in the preview. It just allows the teacher to go through those same workflows just to get an idea as to what students can expect when they're viewing an assignment. One other enhancement that faculty can start to take advantage of has to do with assignment feedback. So we're going to go back to our assignment page. Let's go back down to Bryce. And in the assignment feedback box, when the faculty member is adding in comments, they'll also now have the ability to attach a file. So I, as a teacher, can take something like an outside rubric, for example, or if I recorded some verbal feedback for my student, I can go ahead and upload that here. We just click Attach File, select the file that you want to upload, and then click Save. Now, once this has been committed, the student will be able to see that file in their assignment page. So let's go ahead and click Commit Evaluation. We'll go back and impersonate Bryce. And let's go ahead and go back to our new assignment center and edit into our assignment. So we'll notice here that our status has changed to graded. And now I, as a student, can see two additional boxes here, right? I can see my assignment feedback, so here is my written feedback, and then I can also see the file that was uploaded by the teacher. I can also see how many points I achieved on this particular assignment. So Bryce was awarded 12 out of 12 points at 100%, and the student can also see the rubric. One other enhancement that we've made for both faculty and for students has to do with this collected designation. So as a teacher, when I mark an assignment as collected, I can go ahead and commit that evaluation. Now, what's going to happen is once this mark has been committed, if I go back into my assignment center as Bryce, let's go back to the new assignment center. Here we'll see that my Tuesday entrance ticket has been updated to a status of completed. So now, as a teacher, when I'm marking items as collected, right, that is going to automatically change the status for the student to completed. The student can also now see the collected marked as designation on their assignment submission screen as well.